Okay na ba to? Okay na siguro. Playing na pala. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, pambansang greeting na ng mga vlogger yun. Bang magandang intro. Hey guys. Gamit na yun.
1 hour later.
Hello there, welcome back to the channel. What's up mga basurs? Huy, kamusta na kayo dyan? Parang bastos. Wag yun. What is up YouTube? Ito na naman ang inyong tropa pips na basurs. Ron at your service. And on today's vlog, dadalhin ko kayo sa Yabu House of Katsu. Hype lang ba talaga tong Yabu or masarap ba talaga doon? And this is my honest take on my experience with Yabu. And hopefully ma-enjoy nyo yung episode and may matutunan sana kayo. And I'm doing this episode para sa mga hindi pa nakakatry ng Yabu. At least pagdating nyo doon, alam nyo na yung orderin nyo. And syempre, try nyo rin iba nilang item. Pero ang tatry namin today ni Direct is best seller nila. Lagi namin in-order doon. And honestly speaking, nakakain na ako before sa Yabu. So this will not be my first time in Yabu. But this is my first time I will share the experience with Yabu. So hopefully, you'll enjoy the video and you stay tuned. Sama ko kayo sa Tiki Man time. Let's go! So yun na nga guys, welcome sa Yabu, the House of Katsu. Ang katsu is usually pork, chicken, or seafood. Bali, nilagyan siya ng breadcrumbs and then usually it's fried. So kaya siya tinawag Yabu, the House of Katsu. Ayun, so let's go over the menu. Bali, yun yung menu nila. Very interactive yan. Nandiyan lahat. Anatomy of Yabu Katsu. Pakita yung difference niya versus sa ibang katsu ng ibang restaurants. And you should see there parang yung head chef nila. Ayan. And ang order rin namin for today is yung kanilang katsu sets. For me, hire pork tenderloin sets. Ito yung no fat nilang pork at chicken katsu. Tapos yung drinks, ayan. So maganda dito sa Yabu, very interactive habang naghihintay ka ng order mo. So bigyan ka nila ng mortar and pestle, may lamang black and white sesame seeds. Ayan, durugin mo hanggang maging pinong powder. Ayan. Tapos, for the perfect tonkatsu sauce, lagyan mo ng suggested nila, 2 scoop. Pero, syempre, depende pa rin yun sa desired amount or desired flavor mo ng tonkatsu sauce. And here we are. Ito na yung order natin. Na-serve agad. Siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes na kami nag-order. So, you have rice, yung katsu, the rice, cabbage po yan. And kay Direct, chicken katsu yung kinuha niya. So, same set. So, sa set, nandun yung miso soup, merong cabbage, merong rice, merong fruits, watermelon, and pinya, pineapple. So, quick tip lang dito sa goma sauce. This is called goma sauce. Magiging dressing siya nung cabbage. Yan. Put as much as you desire. Tapos, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano ako hindi karunong mag-chopstick dahil nanginginig ako. Pero, pinapakita ko lang din dyan yung thickness ng isang slice ng katsu. Ganyan siya po kakapal. Back to our tikiman time. Tikman natin yung wasabi nila. Hindi ako mahilig sa manghang pero gusto ko lang i-try with the cabbage, syempre. So, first impressions, hindi siya nakaka-burn na anghang. Minty yung pagkaanghang niya. So, kayang-kaya naman ang hindi mahilig sa manghang. Next up, tikiman time. Siyempre, tikman na natin yung katsu. Well, if you ask me, sobrang lambot niya. Although it's fried, usually ang tendency ng mga pork pag fried, tumitigas. But this katsu, sobrang lambot. Nakaka-enjoy talaga. Something different. And as you can see guys, boom! Napagod na ako kaka-chopstick. Ayan, kaya nagkutsara na tayo. Very practical lang. Anyway, yung tonkatsu, very tender, very malambot pa rin siya. Usually, ang tendency ng pork pag prinito, tumitigas siya over time. Pero ito, the whole stay nung kumakain ako, sobrang lambot pa rin niya. So, para sa akin, sulit naman yung babayaran mo dito. It's not just the hype. And napakaganda ng customer service nila. Pagka wala ka ng rice or cabbage, lalapitan ka agad ng mga staff nila. Yun. Boom! So, ayun. Welcome back. Final thoughts ko about Yabu, the House of Katsu, is, well, kung marirecommend ko ba siya? Yes. Definitely. Pero, syempre, hindi lagi. Pero, if you have the budget for it, why not? I'm not stopping you. Pero kung yung mga praktikalan lang is, I don't recommend it lagi. But, syempre, if you're gonna be treating someone special to you, like your wife, or your husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, your parents, diba? Parang it's an alternative with something new eh. It's tonkatsu, what can I say? Masarap si tonkatsu or katsu if chicken na orderin mo. And syempre, this experience ko, kaya ako siya na-enjoy. Maganda yung service, yung customer service ng Yabu is very excellent for me. Efficient sila. Pag nakita nilang wala ka ng rice or cabbage or fruits, lapit sila agad sa'yo to ask if you want refills, which is, by the way, kagaya nung na-discuss ko kanina, unlimited, or you get refills if wala ka ng rice, cabbage, fruits. I think soup din, not sure. But, yeah, try nyo na. Hindi ko pa na-try yung soup kasi hindi ko siya masyadong gusto yung soup. Not soup guy. Anyway, so, yun. Maganda na may experience ko all in all. And i-recommend ko talaga sa inyo if gusto niyo something new. Hindi yung typical date night yun na normal fast food, diba? So, this is something new. So, that's it for me and this episode, guys. I hope you like it. And if you do, don't forget to click that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next episode. Again, this is Ron. I judge food, not people, because it's better to judge food than people. Hope you guys have a good week ahead and keep safe. God bless. Bye.